The cockpit glows with routine, checklist complete, gear down, flaps set. Every switch, every dial confirms the plan. The pilots, seasoned professionals, are focused on the task at hand, bringing their passengers safely to the ground. Outside the world is dark, but inside the cockpit is a bubble of light and order. The runway, a ribbon of lights, promises a smooth landing. A beacon in the darkness, it guides them in. The air is calm, the approach stable. All indications suggest a textbook landing. The pilots communicate with air traffic control, confirming their position and intentions. But suddenly, a shape appears in the landing lights, a dark silhouette against the bright runway. An anomaly. Something that shouldn't be there. Another aircraft directly on the runway, immobile, blocking their path. A catastrophic error has occurred. The impossible is real, a nightmare scenario unfolding in real time. The pilot's training kicks in, adrenaline surging. 2 planes, 1 runway, seconds from disaster. A head-on collision is imminent. Instinct takes over. Go around! The command is barked out, urgent and immediate. The pilots slam the throttles forward, engines roar, a deafening surge of power as they fight to avert disaster. And the aircraft surges skyward, pulling up at a near impossible angle. Below, the other plane flashes past, a blur of metal and lights, mere hundreds of feet away. A hair's breadth separates them from catastrophe. The serene routine is shattered by alarms and adrenaline. Warning lights flash, sirens blare, a cacophony of alerts. Relief floods the cockpit, a wave of gratitude washing over the crew, but so does shock. The near miss replays in their minds, a chilling reminder of mortality. How did this happen in a system built on safety? What went wrong? Where were the safeguards? The near miss will be dissected for months, a chilling reminder that even the best defenses can fail. Every procedure, every protocol will be scrutinized. For the crew and passengers, the routine landing has become a story of survival, a harrowing experience they will never forget. The margin for error was razor thin, a testament to the skill and training of the flight crew. This incident will echo through the industry, demanding answers. New regulations may be implemented, new technologies explored. In aviation, every close call is a lesson written in adrenaline, a stark reminder of the constant vigilance required to keep the skies safe. Landing an aircraft is a precise dance between pilots and air traffic control. Controllers guide the plane's descent, handing it off to the tower for final clearance. Pilots follow strict procedures, using systems like the instrument landing system to stay on course, even in low visibility. Every instruction is read back, every parameter checked. The tower's cleared to land is the final green light, confirming the runway is empty. Ground radar and cockpit displays add extra layers of safety, tracking every movement. If anything seems off, pilots are trained to go around. No hesitation, no shame. A go-around is a standard maneuver, not a failure. Safety is built on redundancy, vigilance, and the willingness to act when something isn't right. February 4th, 2023, Austin Bergstrom Airport. Dense fog, near zero visibility. A FedEx 767 is cleared to land. At the same time, a Southwest 737 is cleared to take off, on the same runway. Neither crew knows the other is there. The fog hides everything. Suddenly, the FedEx pilots spot the Southwest jet on the runway, seconds from touchdown. Instantly, they abort the landing, engines screaming as they climb. The planes miss by just 100 feet. The Southwest jet takes off, likely unaware of the close call. Investigators later focus on the controller's decisions and the lack of ground surveillance tech at Austin. Only the FedEx crew's quick reaction prevented disaster. One routine morning, a split-second decision saved hundreds of lives. Aviation safety is often compared to Swiss cheese, a visual that helps us understand how accidents can be prevented. Each slice of cheese represents a layer of defense, designed to protect against potential hazards. But, like Swiss cheese, each layer has holes. These holes symbolize weaknesses or vulnerabilities in the system. On most days, these holes don't line up. The defenses hold, and operations proceed smoothly. The multiple layers compensate for individual weaknesses. But sometimes, a confluence of factors occurs. Human error, a common factor in many incidents, miscommunication between pilots and air traffic control, and technology gaps like outdated radar systems, all align. In Austin, dense fog significantly reduced visibility, creating a challenging environment for pilots and controllers alike. In the midst of this, a controller made a critical mistake, compounding the already difficult situation. Adding to the problem, the airport lacked advanced ground radar, which could have provided an additional layer of safety. No single error was solely responsible for the near miss. It was a combination of factors. It was a chain reaction, where each event triggered the next. leading to a dangerous situation. The Swiss cheese model teaches us to focus on fixing the system as a whole, not just blame individuals for their mistakes. It's about understanding the systemic issues that contribute to errors. Every incident, no matter how small, is a valuable opportunity to find and patch the holes in our defenses. Strengthening each layer of defense, through enhanced training programs, advanced technology, and well-defined procedures, prevents future disasters, and ensures the safety of passengers and crew. The ultimate goal is to make it nearly impossible for all the holes to ever line up again, creating a robust and resilient system. Safety is never a finished product. It's not something you can simply check off a list. It's a continuous process of constant improvement, adaptation, and vigilance. The Austin incident serves as a stark reminder of the importance of these principles. Even seemingly small gaps in our defenses can nearly cost everything. Controllers are the gatekeepers, the unsung heroes of the skies. They orchestrate the complex ballet of air traffic with precision and expertise, sequencing every movement, ensuring a smooth and orderly flow of aircraft. Their vigilance is paramount, on the ground and in the air. They are the eyes and ears of the operation, constantly monitoring and adjusting to ensure safety. Their job, keep the runway clear, a critical task that demands unwavering focus, one plane at a time. This meticulous approach minimizes risk and maximizes efficiency. Pilots, though, are the final authority, the captains of their vessels, for their aircraft's safety. They bear the ultimate responsibility for the well-being of their passengers and crew. Even with clearance, they must scan for danger, always vigilant and prepared to react, and go around if anything feels wrong. This decisive action can prevent potential accidents. Ground crews and vehicle operators add another layer, an essential component of airport operations. Trained to follow strict rules, ensuring a safe and efficient environment on the ground, and never enter a runway without permission. This adherence to protocol is crucial for preventing runway incursions. Technology, transponders, sophisticated tools that enhance situational awareness. Ground radar helps everyone see and be seen. These systems provide a comprehensive view of the airspace and ground operations. Safety is a shared responsibility, a collective commitment to protecting lives and property. Controllers, pilots, and ground staff, all working in concert to maintain the highest standards of safety, all check and balance each other. This redundancy provides a critical safety net. Communication and vigilance, the cornerstones of aviation safety, are the last lines of defense, the final safeguards against potential hazards. One person's question or hesitation, a moment of doubt or uncertainty, can prevent disaster. It underscores the importance of clear and concise communication. Every safe landing is a team effort, a testament to the dedication and professionalism of everyone involved. Built on trust and constant cross-checking, it's a system that demands unwavering commitment and attention to detail. After a near miss, the NTSB launches a meticulous investigation not to assign blame but to find the cause. They analyze flight data, cockpit recordings, ATC tapes, and interview everyone involved. In Austin, the focus was on controller workload, missing technology, and communication breakdowns. The NTSB's recommendations drive real change: more advanced ground radar, better cockpit alerts, and new datacom systems to reduce miscommunication. The FAA is rolling out these upgrades nationwide, aiming to close the gaps exposed by incidents like Austin. Each lesson learned becomes a new safeguard. Technology evolves, but so do procedures and training. Every close call pushes aviation to be safer than before. In the end, safety is built on learning from the near misses we never forget.